Hello everybody, welcome back to the Motorhub Media Car Meets for another video. We are back in Plymouth here at Marshmallows again, yes, for another car meet. So we're going to go film some arrivals, going to pop into the car park, and then we're going to go film the exit. So let's roll the intro. Oh, it's a Golf! We do have the dad wagon there from Secret Society. There we go, he's giving us a flash. Go on, son. Beautiful. But then we got the Audi there. That's lovely. So here we go, GT86. Look at this beautiful machine. Oh, he's slowing down for us. Go on. Oh, yes. Go on. We're loving that. Here he goes. Thank you for the show. Then we got the Integra. We're not chasing after that very well. And then we got the Fiesta boy. Oh, that Lexus do be departing. Oh, he's giving us away. Oh, VTEC, there he goes. But look at this. He's popping and banging in a BMW. He's going absolutely mental. But there's a Mustang again going into the meet. Watch your kneecaps, people. Oh, that sounds nasty. Hey. Get on, Bob! Here he goes. Whoa! Oh, look at the Cadillac. Wow, that escalated quickly. Oh, he's going for the launch. Here he comes. Here he goes. DC5. Oh, squealing. Well, I found Devon Drone Guy 24. If you're watching, then ooh, hello. You got another arrival. We're getting a little wave. Go on, son. Oh, we got Tawdy Marshmallows. Go on, BMW. With some graphics on it. Give us a thumbs up. It's a Saxo. Oh, we got content everywhere. Oh, bloody hell. That was loud. That's nice. Into the meeting goes, boy. British Racing Green Subaru. The crowd love it. Check that out. Pure JDM goodness. Unique and brave graphics there on the BMW. Lovely. We got our BMW. There we go. Cheeky little flash. You are the lad. He's going a Rosie roundabout. There's the Subaru. There he goes. There's a Lexus. That is mental. This is where it's at. Is that what I think it is? No, it's not, but it's a Triumph. Honda NSX is making another appearance. He's coming in hot, and there he goes. Look at the graphics on this. Oh, goodness. Holy crap, there's a Golf. Well, hey, go on, son. There's the MX-5. Well, look at the wing on that. Nice. 352. And a boss. Oh, we've got the MX-5, though. It captures the attention. We got the yellow one. We got the red one. And we got another one. What did you just say?
I said there's an bath, there's an bath, and then there's a shower.
Out of 10, how good is his jokes?
16.
He does not approve. Oh. What the hell is the BYD doing? Look at this. Oh, it sounds like a bomb. Oh! Oh! Diesel! He's literally covered in diesel. None of them can stay. Oh my god, it's like a bomb. Explosions everywhere. Mercedes and a Clio. Ooh, is that a Husky in your car? Oh, go on, Sheila. Do you know what? She's going for it. Oh, look at the wing on that. Look at that. Okay, that's mental. That sounds nice. He was going for it. Oh, it's a wicked diesel. Love the colour of this. That is nice.
Gorgeous.
Who?
Gorgeous.
Oh, it's the police. We got a his and we got a whose.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's coming. Proper static machine, it do be the trolley boy. Love how these look. We've got a war going on in the background as I'm trying to film this car, but it is looking very nice, very sleek and very retro as well. After all, how could you not like an ass like that? 350Z. Oh, she loves the content. Will you give me your middle finger? I don't think I like him anymore. Honda's got neons. Okay, so we're on the roundabout because we're going to film your favourite. We're going to film some exits. What? Maybe take the traction off. Ah, he's going for it. Go on, son. Oh, hey. Yes, the beauties brought back the EP3. Beautiful. Absolutely love that. Go on, son. Give us a beep. Oh, there he goes, though. Screaming. You're waving.
What? I don't like you.
Oh, there's Joe. Go on, Joe. Oh! Screaming. Oh, yeah. Crown athlete, Jesus. We got a triumph. Here we go, spinning them up. Go on, son. Oh, we got launch control engaged. Screaming. Check this out. Here we go. Oh, yes. Oh, it's fresh. Honda NSX, mental machine. Sounds fantastic. Oh, watch your ankles, everyone. We got a Mustang. That is absolutely roaring. That is roaring. I'm just going to need a run in a minute. You'll hear that. Go the hill. Oh, we've got Civic. Oh, there goes your clutch. Something tells me it's going to get reeky. Oh, it's reeky, all right. Diesel. Oh. Now everywhere's covered in diesel, boy. Oh, it's diesel. Oh, yes. And now literally I'm covered in diesel. Seriously, it is absolutely black everywhere. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Go on, son. Oh, swiftly does it. He's preparing, he's going to launch. Go on. There he goes. Oh, I've got a flash. He's got all the lights. And he's got all the diesel, but it seems they've just been sprayed in it. Oh, here we go. Next. Oh, the turbo. Civic boy. What a lad. I love flashes. And a vape. Smoky.
No.
And it's not diesel. Yeah. M2. It's a DC5. With another one behind it. Look at this. Go on, son. Oh, neons. Yes. It's boosted. Go on. She loves it. Oh yes, go on, Sheila. Ah, Subaru. Nasty. Oh, R32. Oh, it's a Corsa. Oh, it's a dad bus. Go on, son. Next. He's zooming. Oh, get your horn out, son. Go on. Diesel. Oh yes, he was hit. Oh. Go on, son. Screaming. Oh. Would you like the bangs, geese?
Yeah.
Shame. 352. That's why he's waiting. Oh, nearly stalled it. Oh, come on, Treacle. Oh, he's going for the rollback. Come on. Go on, son. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's raking. Oh my God, and we're all covered in absolute diesel. You can't see the other side of that roundabout. I can't even see the geese.
Reeky diesel, mate. Where
I'm over
are you?
here. I'm
Where?
over
Where are
here.
you? I can't see you. Where?
God, doesn't it stink? Smoky and diesel. Next. Oh, that was loud. Oh! Scooter. Oh! Ash, if you're watching this, come back. I missed you. No! Yes. Go on. Oh, yeah. Diesel! Why do we always keep getting sprayed in diesel? Oh, salt! Yay! Here we go, here's the bee! Oh, that's nasty, bro. Look at the transporter, though. Go on, Bora! Why then? Oh, it's a scramble.
The bikes had to ruin it, didn't they? The bikes just ruined that clip. Awful they are.
Bikes are corgis.
Bikes. Do you know who bikes are for?
Okay, so if you think that bikes should be here, let me know down below. And also let me know down below if you disagree with what Connor's just said. Bikes are cool. Oh, he's got neons. Go on, son. Yes, I'm running for the purpose of the video. Well, that was a bit loud. The police have arrived, and I'm going to say they're pretty bloody late. They've missed the content. Here he comes. Go on, son. Mental cars. Mental. Oh yeah. Go on, son. Oh. He loves it. He said thank you. I caught up with you. Hey, go on. Get up, mate. He's giving us plates to blur. Oh no! How the hell didn't the police see that? He is so lucky. He's not learned his lesson, he says. There he goes! Go on, son! Oh, risky, I know. Okay, and here we go. That is the end of another Cormick here in Plymouth at Marshmill. It was very eventful at the end. How the police did not catch that Audi doing that roundsy roundabout, I do not know. So yeah, I'm going to end off this video, guys, but before we do, if you have enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it. Give it a like. Also share it about as well. Share it about to people that you might know. in case, you know, they've not seen this video. And yeah, if you're new around here, feel free to subscribe. So, I've been Luke. They're speeding. So I've been Luke. This has been another car meet in Plymouth at Marshmallows, and I'll see you guys next time on the track. Goodbye.